The claim that atheists are universally considered smarter than religious people is an oversimplification and a generalization that does not hold true in all cases. Intelligence is a complex and multifaceted trait that cannot be accurately measured by one's religious beliefs or lack thereof. It is important to note that intelligence is not determined by an individual's religious affiliation or lack thereof. Intelligence is influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, education, environment, and individual experiences. People of different religious beliefs can have varying levels of intelligence, just as atheists can have a wide range of intellectual capabilities. Moreover, intelligence itself is a multidimensional concept that encompasses various forms, such as logical mathematical intelligence, linguistic intelligence, spatial intelligence, emotional intelligence, and more. Different individuals may excel in different areas, regardless of their religious beliefs. It is also worth mentioning that intelligence and religious beliefs are separate aspects of a person's identity. People's religious beliefs are shaped by a wide range of factors, including cultural upbringing, personal experiences, philosophical considerations, and emotional needs. Belief systems are complex and deeply personal, and they cannot be reduced to a measure of intelligence. In conclusion, the notion that atheists are universally considered smarter than religious people is a stereotype and an oversimplification. Intelligence is a multifaceted trait influenced by various factors, and religious beliefs are not inherently indicative of an individual's intelligence. It is important to approach such generalizations with caution and recognize the diversity of human intellect and belief systems.